Idea. You can decide to play it or not. I'm gonna give you guys $100 each, and for the next week, I will randomly shoot you guys with my paintball gun.
One shot.
One shot.
$100 and make a hilarious video? I'm down.
Will you maybe not shoot us?
Yeah.
But that'll kill me. Okay. That will absolutely kill me.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm out.
Okay, guys, Chris is a magician. He's doing some magic.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna test their connection.
Where did you feel it, Jeff?
On my hand.
Jeff, open your eyes.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Is this what you felt?
Yes.
Wow.
Wait, how the fuck you didn't do that to my hand?
You asked them.
How was that?
Fucking still sucked. They knew it was coming.
I'll get you later, motherfucker.
Yo, welcome back to my documentary.
Yo, what's up, bro?
You guys got. Oh shit.
Oh, you fuck! You fuck! I'm driving! Oh, God! Why did I fall for that? We were walking out of my house and Todd's like, come ride with me. And I'm like, are you sure?
What the fuck was that? You guys are fucking stupid.
He farted under your blanket. My name is Rio and she dances on the sand.
What the fuck was that for, you bitch?
That's her fucking farting on me, Jonah.
Oh, that hurt so much.
Oh, Natalie! Natalie! God damn it! Why'd you shoot me?
And that's her fucking encouraging him.
I give you $100. Will you let me shoot you with a paintball gun once within the next week?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. It can be any time.
It can be any time. That was good, huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
You want to go double or nothing?
What's double?
In the bathroom of a tattoo shop. I just found out Todd's getting a tattoo. I'm gonna
Hey, Todd.
Oh, you fucking bitch! God damn it! I knew it was fucking coming! No! Tom, what the fuck? Did you call him?
No, I just walked in.
God damn it!
Let me see your tattoo. What is it?
D-D-D-D-D.
What does that stand for?
What would David Dobrik do?
Well, the timing is perfect.
Shoot you in the fucking leg.
Yeah, you would.
What the fuck? No, you.
Guys, I've been doing this thing where I give my friends $100 and in return they let me shoot them once with the paintball gun at any time during the week. So to make sure my friends had no idea it was coming, I made a call before I landed in Los Angeles to hire a fake chauffeur, have him pick us up at the airport, and then let him take the shot.
You guys both look like we just came back from like an 80s ski resort.
So I like to give my passengers a couple of treats before I leave you guys.
Hey!
Cheetos. Oh, nice. There you go.
Baked, baby, baked chips. I love it.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get your fucking money back and what else?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Pulls a fucking gun out of his costume. That was a movie right there.
Holy shit! Are you good? Oh my god, bro! Well done.
After I got hit, I was like, "Oh fuck, am I gonna die?" I was like, "Oh, it's the paintball thing." Oh. Fucking money. Take your fucking money back. Here.
Oh, you don't want to do it? The paintball gun game has gotten so out of hand, even Nabil, the guy who works the garage park at my apartment once, he texted me, he said, "Hi David, can you shoot me with the paintball gun?" I said, "Why do you want to get shot?" He goes, "For the vlog, I want to see you."
I'm just happy it's not me getting shot this time. I took a shower this morning, looked in the mirror naked. My body looks like a leopard.
From all the bullets? Nabil.
What's up?
My boy.
How are you?
You want me to shoot you with a gun?
Yeah.
You know I'd never shoot you with a gun, homie. I'm your friend.
I know that, but I want to feel how it's the fun.
Well, I wouldn't, but my friend definitely would.
Oh my god.
Did you like it?
Oh my god, David, that's so...
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it.
What's up, guys? I'm at Todd's girlfriend's house. It's about 2 a.m. Todd's about to come home from drinking, and I'm gonna shoot him.
Hello, Todd.
You mother!
Guys, I've been doing this thing where I give my friends $100, and in return they let me shoot them once with a paintball gun at any time during the week. So while the boys were out to dinner, Jeff gave me the location of where they were going next.
All right, guys, here's Jeff. Once they get in, I'm gonna have to make a run for it. Fucking car, I'm in the car. I'm in the car right now. There we go, they're coming out.
Go very highly of you.
Hello, Todd.
I knew this was set up when I tell you. And Dennis, I said David's looking around here.
Your buddy, baby, he snitched on you. And snitches get stitches.
Yes, we're back, baby.
To shoot Jeff with a paintball gun, and this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna be driving, Jeff's gonna be in the seat just like Natalie, and then we're gonna come across to this stop sign, and I'm gonna see an old lady crossing the street. There's the old lady crossing the street. And then Jeff is gonna get out of the car, and then he's gonna walk over, and then boom. Have you ever done steroids?
I'm not gonna fucking answer that in your video.
I think that answers it. Jesus.
Like around a new girl, you're thinking too much.
Jeff, go help her cross. Like
Oh, yeah.
Go help her cross. Oh my God, is that real? Oh my God! Oh my God!
You sick, man. Oh my God. Straight out of a horror movie. What the f?
Holy shit! Nice shot, baby! The scariest part is that she hit you here when we told her to shoot you in the legs.